In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support on Vinted. We'll walk through the exact path on the website so you can reach the support team quickly and get your issue resolved. Open your preferred browser and go to vinted.com. If you're redirected to a local version of the site, that's okay. Just stay on the Vinted homepage for your region. Being signed in helps support link your request to your account, but you can continue as you are if you prefer. At the top right of the page, look for the help icon. It may appear as a question mark or labeled help. Click it to open Vinted's Help Center, which is designed to guide you to the right contact option. In the Help Center, you can type a question describing your issue, something like refund not received, shipping label problem, or account access. You'll also see suggested questions and topics. Choose the one that best matches your situation and click it to open the article. This step helps Vinted surface the most relevant guidance, and it's often the fastest way to solve common problems. After you open the article, scroll down to the bottom. Vinted wants you to review the help information first, and then they make the contact option visible underneath. If the article solves your issue, great. If not, keep going. You'll see a Contact Us option. Click Contact Us to open the form. Depending on the topic, the button might appear as something like I still need help, but it serves the same purpose, connecting you with support. Now describe your issue clearly and completely. Include key details such as the item or order number, dates, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any error messages. If there is a specific buyer or seller involved, include their username, not personal details. Keep your explanation factual and concise so the support team can understand and act quickly. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or full payment details. When your message is ready, click Send Issue for Review. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive a follow-up via email or in your Vinted messages. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder just in case. Response times can vary depending on volume and the complexity of the issue, so give it a little time and reply within the same thread if support requests more information. That's it. Go to vinted.com, open Help, choose an article, scroll down, click Contact Us, describe your issue, and send it for review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need swiftly and confidently.